Window installation, whether for new construction or replacement, is a multi-step process that requires careful attention to detail to ensure proper sealing, insulation, and functionality. There are generally two main types of window installation. 1. Full-frame installation, new construction or stud-to-stud. This method involves removing the entire existing window, including the sash, frame, trim, and sometimes even parts of the wall, down to the rough opening or studs. It's ideal when the existing window frame is damaged, rotted, or not square. You're changing the size, shape, or style of your windows. It's a new construction project. Steps involved in a full-frame installation typically include preparation. Measure accurately. This is crucial for ordering the correct size window. Measure the width, top, middle, bottom, and height, left, middle, right, of the rough opening, as well as the depth. Note any obstructions. Clear the area, move furniture, and any window treatments. Protect your floors and surfaces with drop cloths. Remove old window. Carefully remove the interior trim, then the sashes, and finally the old frame by cutting through it or prying it out. Rough opening preparation. Clean the opening, removing any debris or old caulk. Inspect for any damage, rot, insects, mold, and address it. Ensure the opening is square, plumb, and level. Shims can be used to adjust. Apply a water-resistive barrier, house wrap, if not already present, ensuring it integrates with the window flashing. Flashing. This is critical for water management. Apply flashing tape in a shingle fashion around the rough opening, starting with the sill, then the sides, and finally the top. Window installation. Apply sealant. Run a bead of exterior-grade sealant, like window, door, and siding sealant, around the perimeter of the rough opening where the window flange will meet the house. Leave gaps at the bottom corners for drainage. Set the window. Carefully lift the new window into the opening. Have a helper to guide it. Level and plumb. Use shims to ensure the window is level at the bottom, plumb, vertical, on the sides, and square. Measure diagonally from corner to corner. The measurements should be equal. Fasten the window. Once level and square, fasten the window to the rough opening through the pre-drilled holes in the nailing flange, using appropriate screws. Insulation and sealing. Insulate. Fill the gaps between the window frame and the rough opening with low-expanding foam insulation. This helps with thermal bridging and air sealing. Seal. Apply sealant to the exterior gaps between the window frame and the house siding or trim. On the inside, use backer rod and sealant or low-expanding foam to seal the gap between the window frame and the rough opening. Finishing touches. Reinstall or install new interior and exterior trim. Clean up the work area. 2. Insert, pocket, window installation. This method involves replacing only the window sashes and leaving the existing window frame, trim, and casing intact. It's typically used when the existing window frame is in good condition, square, and free from moisture damage. You want a quicker and less disruptive installation. You want to avoid altering interior or exterior trim. Steps involved in an insert installation typically include preparation. Measure accurately. Measure the inside width and height of the existing window frame. Clear the area. Similar to full frame, clear the space and protect surfaces. Remove old sashes and hardware. Carefully remove the old window sashes, jam liners, and any other operating hardware from the existing frame. Frame preparation. Clean the existing frame thoroughly. Inspect for any damage. If there's significant damage, a full frame replacement might be necessary. Ensure the frame is square and level. Window installation. Apply sealant. Apply sealant to the existing sill and side jambs where the new insert will sit. Set the insert. Place the new window insert into the existing frame. Level and plumb. Use shims to ensure the new insert is level, plumb, and square within the existing frame. Fasten the window. Secure the new window insert to the existing frame using screws, typically through the side jambs. Insulation and sealing. Insulate. Fill any gaps between the new insert and the existing frame with low-expanding foam insulation. Asterisk seal. Apply sealant to the exterior perimeter of the new insert where it meets the existing frame or exterior trim. Seal the interior gaps as well. Asterisk finishing touches. Asterisk reinstall or install new interior trim if needed. Asterisk clean up the work area. Tools and materials needed for window installation. Asterisk measuring tools. Tape measure, level, spirit, or laser. Asterisk cutting tools. Utility knife, handsaw, for wood, reciprocating saw.